so far.
Ki Nongïalam ke Seng HYC ki lelet Ïakynduh ia ka DGP bertemai ke kong yada shisha nongrang ke kamrat rekam jongkah nin ke sengi na ke benta banyakran Halor ke jing don kam banyakun persya ia Drok ubalakta ia ki longyeng longsem bat ki imlang saklang. Ki dekot ke HYC ki lakwa banwanra ia ki babun but rekam na ke benta ban khanglat ia ke ne ke jing kai ia Drok ha ke Jylla. Ki dekot ke HYC ki la ai jingmut ia ki bo pulit kumjo ke border security force bat ke customs bat central excise baki day ban pelong ke jing khanra khanang ban khanglat ia ke jing penya ia Drok ha ke Jylla bat ru baki nyat trailang ru bat ki bo penya chnong.
The first issues, a suggestion that we have put forward with the new DGP is regarding how to strengthen this seizure and also the supply chain of drugs from other states. As we know, Meghalaya is not producing drugs by itself. All the drugs, all the narcotics substances comes from outside the state. There are two major routes, the East Jingjyllei district as well as the Drok district. We have seen the seizure made by the police. Of course, we congratulate the police department for taking proactive steps to check the supply chain of into the state of Meghalaya, especially in Shillong. But we also understand that these are minimum because if you go around Shillong, mostly in those hotspot areas.
President ke Seng Youth Youth